Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook soft chapati. To begin, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. Start with 2 cups of whole wheat flour, about 1 cup of warm water, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee. Warm water is key here, as it helps the flour absorb moisture better, leading to a more pliable dough. Ensure your flour is fresh for the best results. Now let's prepare the dough. In a large bowl, mix your flour and salt. Gradually add the warm water, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, transfer it to a clean surface and knead for about 5 to 10 minutes. The dough should be soft, smooth, and slightly elastic, not sticky or stiff. Cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This step is vital for a truly soft chapati. Once your dough has rested, divide it into about 8 to 10 equal-sized balls. Lightly dust your rolling surface and a dough ball with flour, then gently roll it into a thin, even circle, roughly 6 to 8 inches in diameter. Heat your tawa or flat pan over medium-high heat until it's hot but not smoking. Place the rolled chapati on the hot tawa, cooking each side for about 30 seconds until you see small bubbles and light brown spots. For that perfect puff after the second flip, gently press the chapati with a clean cloth or spatula where it isn't puffing. This traps steam, making it soft and airy. Remember, cook each chapati for less than 2 minutes total to prevent it from drying out. Once cooked, brush with a touch of ghee, stack them, and immediately place them in an airtight container, wrapped in a clean cloth, to keep them wonderfully soft for hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.